Welcome everyone to our most recent certified passive house project, our EcoBuilt Pine Valley project, our 1,500 square foot passive house, 4-bedroom, everything facing south, obviously harnessing the free energy from the sun, making passive house most energy efficient and low energy. And come on, let's go in, check it out. So standing in the living room, it's actually open concept living, dining, kitchen area. Again, 1,500 square feet, 4-bedroom, passive home. So, designed for a family of 5, parents, a few kids, a good family home. Even though there's just 1,500 square feet, huge, living, dining, kitchen area can easily accommodate a family reunion of 30 to 40 people in this house. No problem. Miniature galley type of kitchen. This island, very large workspace, about 7 feet wide, 4.5 feet deep, provides seating for 3 benches. Lots of workspace for food preparation. Sink in the island, induction cooktop, energy efficient stand-up freezer, fridge. The best place to look for the world's most energy efficient appliance is the Energy Star website. This range hood, most people would be accustomed to it venting directly outside. Walking by this range in the wintertime, you'd feel an instant rush of cold air, freezing cold temperatures. In a passive home though, we do not vent this to the outside. Every range hood practically that exists has 2 options. One to vent right outside, one also to be used in recirculation mode with filters, collecting all the contaminants, purifying the steam. Very easily done in a passive home, not to have that open to the outside, saving you money, saving your energy. Think about it. Outside venting, it's like having an open 6-inch window throughout the entire wintertime. Heat basically just escaping through the building. So, a huge part of the affordable approach to passive is putting as much glass that is required on the southern wall to make the home operate as a true passive home, but not putting any more windows and doors than are required, because similar to any house, the window and door component is a significant cost to the weather-tight shell. Come check out the bedrooms. So ultimately we have 3 bedrooms. They're all approximately the same size, 10 by 10. They all accommodate a queen-size bed. Small compact windows, about 3 by 3 that turn in for maximum ventilation. Storage space above the closets, a queen-size bed, double doors for the closets, maximizing storage space, a little bit of square footage in the home. Bedrooms ultimately built to be comfortable, but also as small as possible to avoid unwanted expensive space in the home. Master bedroom. So master bedroom, this bedroom's 10 by 12, can fit a king-size bed, 2 sets of double door closets for maximum storage space, keeping the room as compact as possible. Storage above the closets, doing a huge space-saving feature. In this home, our Pine Valley model, approximately 1,500 square feet, we were able to save 250 square feet of storage by simply putting storage spaces above the closets, above the utility areas, integrated into washrooms and laundry areas as well. $350 a square foot to build, 250 square feet saved. You do the math, thousands of dollars saved, allowing anyone and everyone to build affordably. Ensuite washroom, keeping with the compact but comfortable theme. Ultimately an 8-foot by 6-foot space. Comfortable stand-up shower, 4 foot by 3 foot shower, toilet, vanity, of course. You know, saving space. Again, no need for 2 bathtubs in a building, in a home of any size. 1 stand-up shower, 1 bathtub in the secondary washroom, providing all of the conveniences in a house, but saving money at the same time. Small, compact, comfortable. So another space-saving feature of the home is effectively removing a powder room from the equation. You know, in most homes that are 2 bedrooms or more, there's 2 full washrooms, a separate powder room. With respect to this concept, simply by providing a door separating a shower area from a toilet area effectively removes a powder room from the equation. 30 square feet saved at $350 a square foot to build, thousands of dollars saved in the process. So, you know, probably the coolest part of the utility room is the water conditioning system. So this system supplied by a Florida company that ultimately supplies also water treatment systems for the space station. You know, space station, they have to be able to very simply purify all the water up there. So simple water conditioning, you know, the water is put through a stainless steel pipe, makes all the molecules buoyant that you want to remove from the water, effectively replaces a typical conventional system, which would consist of a UV light, reverse osmosis system, and a water softener. All 3 of those in one simple, passive, 3-stage filter system. Another feature in the utility room is this constant pressure system. So a miniature expansion tank saves a lot of space. Okay, so it can be mounted up high on the wall, saves a lot of energy because it's a constant pressure water system, which ultimately means the water is coming from the well like a siphon. Anytime the tap is turned on, very little energy required, keep the water moving. You know, the alternative conventional route is a massive ground mounted pressure tank that stops and starts whenever it fills up or shuts off with water. Very energy intensive and takes up a lot of space in the utility room. Save that space, save that money by installing a constant pressure system. Okay, so the last area of the utilities would be the fresh air system, so the ERV system. You know, up high on the wall, saving space, keeping with the theme of the home, saving space, saving money. The green light indicates that the machine is breathing. It's effectively, you know, the lungs of the home, constantly bringing in fresh air, constantly removing stale air, you know, getting rid of the excess carbon dioxide or contaminants that might have built up in the home for whatever reason. The greatest part, or the coolest part of the machine, is it can ultimately extract 75% of the heat energy out of the stale air leaving the home and transfer that heat to the incoming cold air at extremely cold temperatures during winter months. So effectively maintaining a highly oxygenated environment 12 months of the year, very inexpensively. The machine uses approximately 1 kilowatt hour of energy per day. So that could be 8 cents, 12 cents a day, depending on where you live. Yes, this 1,500 square foot home has a full-size laundry room. Very spacious, stackable washer dryer. There's even a utility sink in here with a cabinet, lots of storage. Storage integrated above, part of the space-saving features of the home, keeping it comfortable, saving money, providing and allowing for all of the conveniences that you could think of. How's the home heated and cooled? By a single mini split heat pump system. So all the hot and the cold air come out of this wall-mounted unit as required, providing all the heating and cooling for the entire home. You know, passive home, truly built like a thermos, stable, draft-free environment. The ERV system, fresh air system, responsible for circulating the air. Single mini split mounted in the middle of the living room, provide comfortable conditions throughout the entire home. Thanks for joining us on our Pine Valley Eco Model tour. We hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to showing you more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.